Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
My name is Andrew.
Today we're in CodeCombat.
We're gonna go to Maniac Munchkins and press play. You can get your armor right here. I already have them, so I'm gonna press play.
CodeCombat.
Then let's press start level. So
The goal is to break open the chest and stay alive.
Yeah, so that you need to break open the chest. That would be easy, but there are munchkins ready to attack you nearby. So the code right now is while true, enemy equals hero find nearest enemy, and distance equals hero distance to enemy. So if hero is ready to cleave, so it will check if the hero can cleave, then hero cleave. So you have the enemy, so it's gonna find the nearest enemy and cleave them. And then attack the nearest munchkin that gets too close. So
hero attack enemy.
Hero attack enemy. So then otherwise try to break open the chest. Use the name of the chest to attack. Chest. And so hero attack. But we don't want enemy because if we do use this, we're gonna attack the enemy. But we already have here attack enemy.
So we need to break open the chest, but not only attack the enemy. So we need like chest.
Yeah. So we're gonna do double quotes and then chest inside. Okay. Now let's run it. So now he cleaves and he attacks him because the orc was too close. And now he's breaking the chest. Now he's attacking, and they're all attacking. And his cleave is ready, so he cleaves. Now we have broken open the chest. Let's press submit.
We need to stay alive before the chest opens, so we have to keep alive while we break the chest. Yeah!
We did it! And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.